A medical release form for minors is a crucial legal document that provides permission for someone other than the parent or legal guardian to seek medical treatment for a child under 18. This form is particularly relevant when the child is under the care of someone else, such as a babysitter, coach, or teacher. The medical release form for minors is an essential authorization document that allows the designated caregiver to make informed decisions on the child's behalf, ensuring that prompt medical attention is provided in an emergency. The form typically includes the child's personal information, medical history, and contact information for the parent or legal guardian. It also lists the names of individuals authorized to make medical decisions for the child and any specific instruments regarding medical treatment. Without a medical release form for minors, caregivers may be unable to seek prompt medical attention for a child in their care due to legal constraints. By completing and signing a medical release form for minors, parents or legal guardians can provide a peace of mind to themselves and the designated caregiver, knowing that proper medical treatment can be provided quickly and efficiently in an emergency. Whether you are a parent, legal guardian, coach, teacher, or practitioner responsible for the care of the child, this printable medical release form for minors is an essential resource to have on hand. It is easy to use, customizable, and can ensure that children receive prompt and appropriate medical treatment. To use our medical release form for minors, follow these steps. Download our free medical release forms for minors off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Once you have the form, fill it out with your child's personal and medical information, including their name, date of birth, address, and medical history. You should also include emergency contact information for yourself and other designated individuals, and information about your child's medical insurance. Next, designate the individual authorized to seek medical treatment for your child in the case of emergency. This could be a babysitter, coach, or teacher, for example. Make sure to include their name and contact information on the form. Finally, sign the form and provide copies to the designated caregiver and your child's pediatrician. Ensure the designated caregiver has the form readily available in an emergency, such as by carrying a copy in their wallet or storing it on their phone. Here is a sample of our medical release form for minors from our Carepatron platform. To find our medical release form for minors, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.